This is a demonstration of the Lumissil IS32LT3182 used in an automotive capacitive touch dome lamp application. The IC also includes LIN control for customers using this network. Pictured here is the lamp we are using for this demonstration, along with its PCBA. On the right side, you see a top and bottom view of the original design that used a 20-pin IC. The images below that are showing the new simplified design with the Lumissil solution. This IC is smaller. It replaces the momentary switch with a stamped antenna, as well as it eliminates the moving plastic button. We have also provided the new schematic for your reference. This is an exploded view of the same lamp using a touch-on lens design. This option would use a thin film antenna that plugs into the PCB using a ZIF connector. This design is very important if you're activating your lamps by touching on the lens itself. The antenna is a thin film that can be a clear polyester material with conductive traces that are made out of ITO, which is indium tin oxide, or P-dot inks. Finally, we show this exploded view, which is a touch on dot or graphic demonstration. In this case, the antenna is a stamped piece of metal that attaches to the PCB. It is more cost effective and is ideal when you're trying to illuminate a dot or graphic, and the stamping can be any conductive metal. Here we have the graphic user interface, or GUI, that Lumissil has developed to demonstrate the LIN commands to this prototype lamp. In this condition, we're turning the dome lamp on, and you can see how it comes on nice and soft. In this condition, we're turning it off. It also shuts down nice and softly. That's all done through gamma correction, and the speed of which that gamma correction is happening is done through PWM. We can change the scales down here below to demonstrate how it now comes on faster and slower. In addition, we have a backlight feature which we can demonstrate at 100%, 75, 50, 25, or completely turn it off. In some dome lamp conditions, the overhead console controls them, and so an all on button would demonstrate the lights turning on and turning off from the overhead console. Last but not least, the lamp would also be activated by touching the antenna to turn it on and turn it off. Be sure to talk to your sales representative about Lumissil LED drivers and the unique competitive advantages that they can offer.